Hey guys, Jason, Surviving Dad Life. I got me a whole slew of Adam stuff. I guess you can say slew. It's like 12 items that I got, and it's friggin' windy today. Anyway, one of the things that I got is their interior detailer. It says it smells like cedar wood. I've got some stuff that I use to, wash the old beard. And, that stuff, Everyman Jack or Jack's Everyman, whatever the heck it is. Anyway, that's what this interior detailer smells like. It's kind of like it's like a manly smell. So anyway, I'm gonna give it a try out here on the dash. This is the old work truck. But I'm gonna give the old inside a clean with this stuff, and we'll see how it works. So I decided to come inside the truck. It's windy as all get out. But anyway, I'm going to just spray down the dash with this stuff and see how good it goes. The interior detailer says that it has Microban. Says on here, Microban is an antimicrobial technology, provides continuous antimicrobial product protection. Used on frequently touched surface areas and electronics, effective at removing sticky residues, light dust, fingerprints, smudges, dirt, and other unwanted contaminants. It's got an anti-static additive, and it contains an odor neutralizers and UV blocking agents to keep your interior fresh. It's all in one formula, cleans, shines, and protects with the antimicrobial technology from our partners at Microban. So I guess it keeps bad stuff from getting on your dash or whatever. But in a work vehicle, it's nice to, keep the microbials down and all that stuff. I guess keep me from getting sick. That way I'm out there on the streets working. Says to avoid overspray, spray the product directly into an Adams Edgeless utility towel. Wipe surface to be treated until product is even in appearance. Remove excess with separate dry edgeless utility towel for maintenance. Reapply Adams interior detailer after every wash or as frequently as desired. So, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but yeah, you can probably see it. There's a... Did I clean it off? There's a light thing of dust. I like to drive around with the windows down so I can hear, what's going on around me. And it tends to kick up a lot of dust while I'm doing that. So, maybe y'all can see that. Yeah, you can see the dust right there. Anyway, let's give this a wipe down and we'll see how good it goes down. Okay, the Adam stuff that I got, let me shut the door, maybe it'll help with the lighting. I don't know if y'all can see that. Alright, the Adams one I'm going to use in my truck is the cedarwood one. I got another one called Sweet Pea. And I'm going to use that one in a more girly vehicle. But anyway, I don't know how good y'all are going to be able to see this. I don't have many options of hanging this camera up. But anyway, also another thing, if you drink this, don't induce vomiting. Yeah, so I wouldn't recommend it. Anyway, I'm going to spray this onto the towel like they say. That sprayer is kind of weird. Oh man, this stuff smells awesome. This stuff, oh man. This stuff smells amazing. Anyway, it says to wipe it down and then dry it off. It says with another towel, but I'm just going to use the same one. Just flip it over to the dry side. But take a look. That's where I showed you earlier, and that was all dirty. Here's a good spot. I don't know how well you can see that. The sun's not cooperating. This dirty side, clean side. But the big thing with this stuff that I've noticed so far is it smells amazing. So here, we'll do something where you guys can see. I don't know if I really like this sprayer. When you spray it, it sprays out, but then there's like little dribbles at the end. So if you spray it, I would suggest spraying it down. That way it drips back off onto your towel. And this stuff does not get slippery. I mean, it's a little smooth, but it's dry. So I'm just going to wipe the steering wheel down. Not really the places that your hands go when you're driving. But it gives it a like a satin finish. It's not real glossy. I'm not a real big fan of glossy interiors, because to me, whenever you're driving down the road, if your dash is like real super glossy, it reflects off the windshield real bad and it's hard to see down the road. So anyway, man, the main thing with this stuff is it smells incredible. I wish you guys could smell this. I wish they start smell-o-vision now or something like that. But hold on, let me get over here by the door and I'll move the camera where you guys can see me do the door. Okay, now for the door. We'll give this a shot. And I don't really know about the... Maybe I need to squeeze it faster or something. But I usually wipe down these doors at least once or twice a week, because the job that I have, I'm on dirt roads a lot and it gets dusty. So they're not too bad. They're actually in pretty good shape. I mean, they weren't in a bad need of being cleaned or anything, but we can get it just a little wipe down, and it smells heavenly, so why wouldn't anyone want their car to smell like this? But this is the very first Adams product that I've ever used, and I like the smell of it, and I like the way it goes down. So anyway, I guess I can move the camera up here, go along the top there, flip it over and dry it off. But it does really good getting the light dust off. And then, like I say, man, I'm like super impressed at how well it smells. And I know that's not everything, and you guys are probably saying, dude, we don't care, we want to see how good the product works. But this stuff smells amazing. I'm going to finish wiping down the rest of the dash, and then when I get done, I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Alright, I gave the dash a good quick wipe down, and then I've also hit the door here. It's kind of hard because I'm outside and a little bit of dust keeps kicking up while I'm doing it. But it doesn't give it like a real glossy or high sheen. I don't know, it's about perfect for me. Like I say, I don't like my interiors being super glossy. I like to be a little matte finish. But other people like it when it's bright, shiny, and glossy. But anyway, I really like the product. I think this would be one that would be good for like in between deep cleanings. Like if your interior is really shot and it's dirty as all get out, I would use an APC and just an all-purpose cleaner and clean it out real good, and then finish up with this. And then in between, it's just light dusting. I would use this stuff to just keep it protected, and then to give you that great smell that it has. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up on this vehicle. Make sure you go down in the bottom and comment and subscribe. You know, hit that little bell down there. That way you'll get notifications anytime I upload some new videos. I've got a whole bunch of Griot's Garage stuff, some Adam stuff that I'm going to be reviewing and doing. And I'll be putting videos up of them soon. But anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, and a comment. And then also, I got work to do. So, I mean, you guys get out of here. You're bothering me.